Hello and welcome back to the channel Stock Buddha. Guys, we know that the market has been bleeding for the last 2 weeks, and especially the Friday, it was a scary moment. But to all the investors, I just can say that is the time to hold on and not get off the boat. If you had cash, which we decided earlier, and if you had the cash with you, you could have actually purchased the things which were the place we are in have been at a dead low prices. So that is how you could have actually averaged it. But I understand that there is a volatility which is going on in the market and which can continue going forward, because on March 19th we have quadruple witching date. So in the in perspective to the market, what is next is like we have two things. We have March 19th where the volatility it will be very high, and then on the Tuesday there is a stimulus passing, which most probably should be going up. From there, if the stimulus is passed, so we can see a reversal in the stock market because it has been draining 2 weeks. Again, if we see right now when the video is being shooted, the futures for Nasdaq is not good, and we have a lot of plays from the Nasdaq, the tech plays, and they are still in red. So we are hoping for a recovery, but what we'll be doing right now is like we'll be keeping a close eye to the plays which we are in. So before that, let's go ahead and understand what happens on March 19th. So it is a quadruple witching date. What does that mean is that is the day when your four things like stock index futures, stock index options, stock options, and stock futures expire simultaneously. So what happens in this scenario is usually you will see a very uh, high volatility on the same day. For example, on December 18th, the same thing happened almost on a triple witching day, and we saw Tesla going from $50 minus to $50 up. That is 5,000 in a contract low to 5,000 up. So basically, in a minute or so, we saw a difference of $10,000. So it's obviously a moment where people can make money, people can lose money. So I'll ask, as an investor, you should keep away because you're not a day trader. So we should be keeping a close watch on that. Secondly, going to the stimulus thing. Stimulus is going to affect us in a positive way. That is what I predict. And if everything goes down the line, what we are thinking, then there is a lot of cash which is going to come into the stock market again. And if the reversal at the same time happens, then that is something we have to start going up. And what we'll be doing is like we'll have few plays which are slow and dead slow plays. I'll be coming with those videos where I see, okay, these are the plays we can get down and then get into some other plays so that we can rotate the cash. We'll be doing that. So guys, before that, like if you like whatever I do my research and for you everything. So if you like that, please do like and subscribe my channel, do share with your friends, and don't forget to grab the free shares which is given in the link below. You can join the Webull. Those who are new to the channel, they can just go ahead and join me on this journey. So without further ado, let's go ahead and look how we are doing on the portfolio, and we'll go through the stocks which we can actually average down right now. So yeah, if you see, like we started with 5,000, we actually pushed in around $500 as well. We are down $2,500. At one point of time, we were up by $2,500. We have lost $5,000 from 7,500 to almost like 4,500. We are here, so we have lost a quite lot of money here. So, but still we are at the 5,000 level where we started. We cannot say that was bad because the way the market has been crashing, I see the portfolios in other accounts have gone down by 50% or so. So we are still holding, but yes, we have lost a lot of money during this bloodbath. So from here, we have a plan where how we can go ahead slowly and which stocks we should be focusing on. So guys, before that, let's go ahead and say see what stock we should be focusing on. Number one is APXT. Guys, APXT has been dead slow in the merger. Right now it was February 15th, then it should be end of the February, and now it is speculated at March 15th, but there is still no news on the APXT channel. If you go to the website, it does not say anything yet. If you the upcoming events are not presented, the last thing we saw was the January 20th here, but I am hopeful they will be coming up with something very soon. I go to the stock with, for example, if you see, there's a lot of things going on. If you see here, by the way, APXT touched 10.6. That was like gold mine when you could have actually put in the money and got few stocks if you had the cash. So APXT here, if you see, the message volume has increased a lot and sentiment is low. So if you go down and see here, the people are actually bullish about it, but what they tag is bearish. Can't wait to buy more at 30. He is bearish. He says this will tank to 14 and then it goes to 16 and then up and up. Bearish doesn't make sense. Here is what it makes sense. Please remember, don't feed the shorts with the bullish tags. Keep your tag bearish and then go ahead. So what is going on with the thing is what has come into limelight right now and people have been talking about lately is like when we do in stock with they actually filter the data based on the bearish and bullish pattern, and if you are bullish about it, they actually get the pattern, sell the data to hedge funds or something, and then they make a short on that, so people are really smart. They have started doing a bearish tag, but they are bullish about it so that they can, the hedge funds who are actually on short, they can actually close their shorts. So many things are going on. I can see actual sentiment is very bullish on APXT, and any moment we can see a merger date being announced. So yeah, that will be upside. I think they are also waiting for the market reversal or something. So that can go on parallel. Keep a close eye on APXT. If you see it's in a comfortable zone for you, go ahead and grab few shares. Another one would be TTCF. TTCF, anything under 20, I said was good to buy. Again, if you saw rocket went high like 40s, nobody was paying attention to it, and then it shot high. Same thing with TTCF, nobody is paying attention right now, but it is sitting at a good price. I will say avoid golden nuggets as of now because it's a long-term play. We can sit on it and we will not bother. I have golden nuggets as the most in my place, but still I am not. What we'll be doing is like we will be first going with APXT and TTCF and few other plays where we can see the money coming up. We'll cash it out and then we'll go with the golden nuggets on that part so that we can average out on golden nuggets, because I see golden nuggets will be still a bit slower. It can still have a short squeeze in between, but we have still the time to load that. Another one is Palantir, which I discussed in my earlier video. Kathy Woods is trying to buy a lot of Palantir, and I see it going around 40s very pretty soon once the market reverses and the money is coming back from Dow to Nasdaq. Then we will see a lot of rise in the tech stocks, but these are the few stocks you have to keep an eye. One of them is Palantir, and last but not the least is Bingo. And if you see Bingo is right now sitting at 7.68. So somehow in my other account, again the GTC got traded and I got Bingo at 7, but then Bingo went around 6 or something, 5.7 or something, and that was the lowest we could actually have bargained for Bingo. So Bingo is again sitting as a right price. If you see still going it below 7 again, I think you should be grabbing it because this is a $20 play for me. So this is all, guys. I think we have to be very speculative. We have to cash in from one of the plays to another, and then we have to see which is going on. We have to keep patience, hold on our boat, and probably we should be seeing the greens very soon. So I am very positive that we will be doing it through, we'll make it through. So that would be all for today, guys. Thank you. Keep rocking, keep investing. Bye.